In this video, I will show you how you can verify the originality of your AirPods. So how you can do that is just open up your Safari, open up Google, search for Apple Verifier, and you can easily open this website at the top. And do this, close this one, and you can head on to your AirPods serial number, scroll down until you see it, serial number, hold that thing, and press copy. You're gonna do that, you just paste it and type this code right here, submit, and it is the original iPhone. The original AirPods. It is an original, but we're currently unable to validate your AirPods purchase. And this is how you can validate the originality of your AirPods. But if you want to know what a fake one looks like, you can fake Apple AirPods, Apple Verifier. You can easily check the screenshot of them. Here you will see it something like this. Don't connect, cannot verify, and this is how you can see that you are using ungenuine AirPods. It will display this. We're sorry, but this is your phone number that's been replaced. Yada yada yada. And this is how you can do it, just by copying the serial number of your AirPods, scrolling down, then head onto the web. Where's the web? Apple Verifier, and head on this. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.